The overall goal of the following experiment is to show how task design can influence the interpretation of results in fMRI studies, particularly when taking paradigms from other imaging modalities. This is achieved by first choosing an appropriate task for the cognitive or psychological construct of interest, in this case, the visual oddball paradigm. The second step involves designing 3 different versions of the visual oddball task using the same stimuli, which will result in the volunteer modifying their behavior during the fMRI scan. Next, the fMRI data is analyzed in order to quantitatively assess the differences in brain activation between task versions. Results are obtained that show how cognitive and motor processes can be differentiated based on appropriate experimental design and data analysis.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of cognitive neuroscience, such as identifying the underlying neural substrates of human perception, cognition, and behavior.
We first had the idea for this method when we realized that interpreting our own results in relation to the existing literature turned out to be difficult due to subtle differences in task design and experimental procedures across studies.
To begin, choose an appropriate task to investigate the cognitive or psychological construct of interest. Before setting up the task, first determine the appropriate number of trials required for a robust brain response, as well as the sequence stimuli timing, and be sure to consider